Hi, welcome to our game Escape HKU. In the next few minutes, we are going to introduce interesting parts of our game, especially on the innovative parts. Starting the game name will flash with changing colors and asking whether the player wants to start. For implementation method, we simply design the interface, then define and use print block function to print Escape HKU and clear output function to clear the whole screen, together forming the flashing word effect. By the way, please remember to drag the terminal to full screen size due to the limitation of ED.
Our game involves 4 modes: Classic, Challenger, Story, Random. Take Classic mode as an example. Classic mode has no magic and examines logical abilities. Notice that the random map are from 45 design maps with solutions. The map includes a design number of blocks and an exit at the bottom. During the game, the player cannot move blocks if it is blocked by other blocks. The player can only move the blocks forward, backward, leftward, rightward by inputting the block number and WSAD. The goal of the game is to move the largest block to the exit.
Now, let us first introduce the main structure of the game. One of the innovative part of our code is map insert, which is fulfilled by the following 2 functions: import map and extend map. Import map reads from the text from mapchallenge.txt or mapstory.txt and transforms it into a dictionary. The key is the reference number of the map, and the value of the dictionary is the map. Then we extend the map through extend function to create a script of the map in form of a list of lists, which is much easier to iterate and check the elements by coordinators.
Then the function locating can store the coordinators of each number in a list. Time function works as a counter. Print function is all about printing the chosen map by setting the color of the console. The following findClassic function is aimed at getting the input command and getting the information about the border of the input block if the player inputs the moving command. With each command, findingClassic determines the return, and locating function is used to check the map state.
Challenger mode is the innovative version of Classic mode with magics. Just like the Classic version, each we use finding Challenger function to refresh the state and receive command. Additionally, it also deals with magics, which we will specify in Story mode.
The Story mode is the essence of our game. The Story mode has 14 levels with gradually increased difficulty. Successfully passing each level, you will earn money for purchasing magics. Notice that the player will earn 2 extra coins if the player passed within the limit time. Passing the 14 weeks and step toward victory. We use a finding story function to deal with the 3 magics: Reducto, Alhomora, and Pioria Incantatem, which can blow up a random block, including itself, using the random function, move the location of the exit, and get extra steps. And finally, bonus function is used to implement the bonus time.
Random mode distributes the blocks randomly without limit, so some maps may not have solutions. This is why we designed the choosing function, input yes or no, and choose the map the player wants. The random map function reads map from text and randomly form a map. Well, that's basically what our game is about. Why not check it out yourselves?